Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2014 Ram 1500 ST Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in bright silver, looks great. You do have the bug deflector up front with the chrome accenting on your grille, as well as the chrome bumper just down there. And we do also have halogen quad headlights right there, and they are very bright. And coming around the side here, we do have our tires. They are Wrangler brand tires. They look great. Sorry, the Goodyear Wrangler brand tires, and they do have 17-inch rims as well with the Ram badging on it. Looks great. You do have the running boards along the bottom, and you also have heated exterior mirrors just up there. And coming all the way to the back, we do have a 6-foot box back here. You also have your chrome bumper back here as well. 6-foot box. It does have the box liner on it, so nothing will be getting scratched up, and there's tons of room to haul things. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter, it'll get it nice and warm for you, and you don't have to go outside in the cold. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You got your handle up here, another little handle here, and some storage just down there. Very nice interior, very spacious. You do have very soft seats here, very comfortable to sit on. Then you do also have the controls over your lights, so your off, your auto, your daytime running lights, and your low beams all there, as well as your in-cabin light control right here. And then up here we do have the controls over our high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers. Also, just under here you do have some seat warmers. Okay, let's start up now. So key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers it has, only 38,000, that's not very many. Now you also have your vehicle info, fuel economy, your trip A and B. You have your trailer tow, your messages, screen setup, settings, and then you can turn the menu off if it was too bright for you. Then it also tells you what temperature it is outside. You have the controls over those right there, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. And then over here we do have our radio, so we have our AM and our FM, as well as our Sirius XM here. You have your media tab if you have one hooked up. Then you also have your info and your ABC, your presets down here. Then you also have your skip and your mute all there. Your audio, menu, back button. And then down here we have our gear shift. So you just turn it just like that. Then over here we do also have our 2-wheel, our 4-wheel lock, and our 4-wheel low. And then in our climate control we have our hazard lights. We have the power here, the circulation, AC, and heat. Then you also have where it's going to blow out plus defrost. Here you have your trailer brake. This guy's your traction control and your tow and haul mode. And then we also have a bit of additional storage in there. And then in the center you do have your 3 cup holders with your armrest. That doubles as a storage container. You have some coin holders here. And right over here we do have a USB and an aux cord plug-in for your media. Then you can lift this guy up and you do have another seat just underneath. And just over here we do have a bottom layer for our glove box with our owner's manual. You got a little bit of storage up top as well. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now you do have the controls over your windows here. You have your handle here and a handle here. You do have 3 seating for 3 people back here. The seats are very soft as well. And you can lift them up, and you do have that additional storage just underneath there if you need it. And you do have some cup holders just over there as well. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2014 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.